Stormy Skies, Mystery 1. Type your name here. Number 1. What does each letter mean in this drawing? A, B, and C. A, tiny drops of water, evaporation or gas, water or liquid. B, tiny drops of water, evaporation or gas, water or liquid. C, tiny drops of water, evaporation or gas, water or liquid. Number 2, explain the drawing above. This drawing here. Where is the water before it forms a cloud? What forms does the water take as it becomes a cloud? Number 3, after a couple of days, puddles on the sidewalk shrink and disappear. What happens to the water? Number 4, Roberto thinks that clouds can be made out of water because clouds are white and water is clear. What do you think? Explain to Roberto why clouds look white. Use examples to convince him. When you are done, make sure to click Submit.